So in the second section, the math notes box is on axes, quadrants, and graphing an XY coordinate graph. So it's a review of a coordinate plane and how to graph points. So the coordinate axis on a flat surface are formed by drawing vertical and horizontal number lines that meet at 0 on each number line and form a right angle. So for example, right here is a 4-quadrant graph. We have the x-axis, horizontal, y-axis, vertical. If it's a 1-quadrant graph, we would just have x-axis, y-axis, so we'd only have 1 quadrant. The x and the y-axis help define points on a graph called a Cartesian plane. It's named after the person that created it. The x-axis is horizontal, while the y-axis is vertical. The x and the y-axis divide the graph areas into 4 sections called quadrants. Now the quadrants are labeled 1 and then 2, 3, and 4, and since it's called a coordinate plane or Cartesian plane, if you notice, they form a C in the direction that they go, just to help you remember which quadrant is which. The numeral data can be graphed on a plane using points. Points on the graph are identified by 2 numbers in an ordered pair written x, y, where x tells you the which way, right or left to go on the x-axis. The y tells you which way to go up or down on the y-axis. The first number is the x coordinate of the point, and the second number is the y coordinate. The point 0, 0 is called the origin. So anytime we're talking about this point right in the middle, we'll refer to it as the origin. It's also where you're going to start when you're graphing. To locate the point 3, 2 on an xy coordinate plane, go 3 units from the origin to the right to 3 on the horizontal axis. From that point, go 2 units up. So if we wanted to get to 3, 2, we'd start here, go 1, 2, 3 to the right, and up 2. To go -2, -4, we're going to go 2 units from the origin to the left to -2 on the horizontal axis, and then 4 units down using the y-axis. So if we were to start at the origin, we would move over 1, 2 to the left, and down 1, 2, 3, 4. So the ordered pair -2, -4 would be right here.